Hello everyone, hope all are fine and doing good at your homes. Today we are going to start question answers and the book exercises of poem Circus Elephant. As I have already explained you the chapter or this poem before your exams. So today we will be continuing with the question answers of this chapter. So everyone please open page number 55 in your book. Here it is the page, and here you can see the first question means these A B C D option we have already done. Now I'm going to start with question number 2, that is read these lines and answer the questions that follow. As you can see there are 4 lines, okay, and on the basis of these lines we have to give answers of these questions. Okay, after that these 3 questions you can see, question number 3, 4 and 5 questions you can write from your book. I am going to give you answers of these questions. Okay, so let's start. So here are the questions, dear students. First one is, where is the elephant? So the elephant is right now in the circus, but the lines talk about the time when it was in the jungle. Now question number B, what noises of the jungle does the poet describe in the poem? Noises that the poet describes in the poem are the cry of hungry beast as well as the feet sound of the buffaloes and zebras. Question number C, why does the poet refer to the noises of the jungle as old? The poet refers to the noises of as old because the elephant is not in jungle anymore. So these are the questions related to these lines. Now come to the next one, question number 3, 4 and 5. Here are the answers only. So the question is, which word does the poet use for the elephant in the last verse of the poem? What does the poet wish to show us by using these words? So the answer is, the poet calls the elephant his majesty. The poet wished to show us that the elephant is a majestic creature, does not belong to a circus. It belongs to the wild. Next question, question number 4. If elephant could speak, what do you think he would say? I believe the elephant would tell us how unhappy it is. I would ask to be set him free. Question number 5. According to you, does the poet think it is right for animals to perform in circus? Give reasons for your answer. So according to the poet, I think the poet does not support the use of animals in the circus. Poet reminds us that elephant is not in its natural habitat. Okay, so these are the answers of all the questions from page number 55. Now dear students, there is one more page on page number that is page number 56. Everyone see that. Here what we have to do, we have to do some alliterations. Alliterations means when words that start with the same sound are used close together in a sentence, it is called alliteration. Okay, so for example, here you can see those pictures in exercise number A. Here are few examples of alliteration for you to read aloud. This you can read, and this is the exercise. You can see, thinking up alliteration is great fun. Try making this one. Try making some of your own. Okay, so some of your own using the words given below. So the first one is, I'm zooming it out and reading it out. Please understand and complete this in your book. Terence the tiger takes time trying to catch the turkey. Okay, turkey. Next one is, seven snakes slither on the silky sand. Third one is, Ryan runs and rushes into a running rabbit. Next one is, the pretty pink purse pairs well with purple pants. Next one is, the large lazy lion is lying down like a log, L-O-G, log. If you can't see anything because it is written with pencil, listen to my words. I am just repeating all the lines. Now come to F1. The hungry hippo huffed at a horse eating hay, H-A-Y, hay. G, see the G1. The chattering chimpanzee chased the cheetah to China. Then the yelping yellow Yorkshire, Yorkshire, terrier, Terrier, stared at the yawning, Yawning, yawning yak, yak. So alliteration means when we use same words, same sound words, h, okay. So these words when we combine together to to make the same sound in a sentence, it is called alliteration. So dear student, we have completed here exercises or the question answers of the poem Circus Elephant. I'll be meeting with you with chapter number 4, that is meeting Miss Trotwood, in the next video. Till then everyone, complete your work, study well.